Namo Dhamma Friends. Did you know that just as rain breaks through a poorly roofed house, lust penetrates the mind that has not been developed by meditations? But lust never penetrates the mind that has been well developed by calming meditations. In these two amazing Dhammapada stanzas, we will learn more about these things, and it will be more easier to understand too. Yatagarang duchanang uthi samati vichati evang abhavitang cittang rago samati vichati. Just as rain breaks through a poorly roofed house, lust penetrates the mind that has not been developed by calming and insight meditations. Yatagarang suchanang uthi nasamati vichati evang subhavitang cittang rago nasamati vichati. Just as rain does not break through a well-roofed house, lust never penetrates the mind that has been well developed by calming and insight meditations. So, my dear Dhamma friends, let us not become like a poorly roofed house, but like a well-roofed house, so that lust will never be able to penetrate our minds. So what do we have to do now? Yes, that's right. We have to develop our minds by calming meditations. Namo Buddhaya.